Check this out. The silicone cover is one of the best ones I like. The water drips down, so if it starts leaking water, look at this. It all comes down to one area. It goes down to the sink. So I like it. Instead of spraying the water all around it and damaging your molding or anything like that, it's perfect. You guys can see that the water automatically, it's silicone, so it's gonna leak down to the bottom. You know, I like it fits pretty much on any device, any settings. Prevents you from, you don't clean too much underneath of it, because the water goes underneath of it. It could damage your actual sink and other products. So I like this a lot. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.